Module 6, Advanced CSS Techniques. Welcome to Beidat IT Training. In Module 6, we'll explore advanced CSS techniques, including animations and transitions. You'll learn how to create smooth transitions between styles and how to animate elements to make your web pages more interactive. For example, you can create a hover effect using transitions. CSS. Dot box. Transition, transform 0.5s. Dot box, hover. Transform, scale, 1.2. You can also define keyframe animations. CSS. At keyframes example. From background color, red, to background color, yellow. Dot animated. Animation, example 5's infinite. Exercises will help you practice these skills, and a lab project will guide you in developing a web page with interactive animations and transitions. An interactive quiz will test your knowledge. By the end of this module, you'll be able to use advanced CSS techniques to create dynamic and engaging web pages. Let's get started with advanced CSS techniques.